little nature center house. It's super quirky and cute. Little outdoor art places. I'll go over there in a minute because that's cute. A little tree. Little informational signs. This whole little walkway place where we came in. I'll go make a picture with that. Y'all are probably hot in the car right now. There's also some super cool spider webs. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, that's fun. Turkey. That's a great idea. Oh, that's a turtle made out of a tire. These are fun. These are little flowers with their tin cans and cups. Look at those. Oh, those are all bottles. Those are cool. Look at this. Daisy. Little rainbow one down there. Little bench. Recycled bench, I guess. What's this? What's that? I don't know what that is. Plastic bottle flowers. Little pathway. Little dragonfly. Okay. We'll take a table where we clean fish. Maybe. I don't want to walk around the back. Y'all are waiting. It looks like a shed. A bird feeder. Is that a cardinal? A little bird feeder. Okay. That's cool. Ooh, look. Plastic pool float flowers. Okay. I don't want to go. There's people. That's cool. Information you can't read well. And then campground. It's hot. What's that? A frog condo? Well, that's fun. Tree frogs. Okay, and now it's hot, so that's that pathway. We walk all the way down. This is an activity center. I didn't video in there because they were doing a program, and I didn't want to be too rude. But what's this, birds? That's cool. That's good. A bird bonanza. The bird feeders. Okay. And then I was supposed to get a picture in that thing, but I don't know how dedicated I am to setting this thing up right now. I'm hot. I'm gonna go nonchalantly keep videoing and see this cute dog, and then I'll be done. Here, you can see other people who did this. Look. Yeah, aren't they cute? Great. Did you see him? He's a cute one. Hold on. Also, I'm gonna go to hell for this one, but maybe not. I like that dress. Who's calling? I'm gonna zoom these and I'll snap a picture of them so we can read them later. Activity center. There are staff bathrooms in there, but you're not supposed to go. It's a nature center to learn about. Tasha doesn't like those things. Ring-necked. That sounds cool. Monarch butterflies. These are nice. And they have like the labelings on the trees. And all these little signs. Nature trails, that's nice. That's good. Alright. Can you make this sound like a titmouse? Peter. Okay, let's see this one. Chirp like a chickadee. Okay. Chickadee-dee-dee. 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 I don't think that's it. Warble like a wren. Number 9. It's got an apartment number. Wonder if they tagged their birds. Cheeseburger. Tea kettle. Cheeseburger. Tea kettle. I don't know about that. I know this one. I know that one. I bet y'all are hot and cranky. Probably you're in that car over there. Probably looking at me like, dang on Megan Langan. You can't read all that. But it's informational, like, look at this spider. Can you see it? Can you see the spider? Where'd it go? Isn't it cool? Can you see it? There it is. It's got a boyfriend. It's on this nature center, activity center sign. Like that up there. And that's in the place where we went. And that's from the place where we're come from. See? And it's home. See? I know. Okay. Oh, your car's running. That's thank gosh. That's good. Drive. We're in bed over here. I'll go get in the car now, because... Okay.
This flag warns not to use inflatables because it's windy. The cone-shaped device indicates the direction of the offshore winds.
What?
Reading about flag. Quartered red and white.
I've seen that.
Quartered red and white. Emergency evacuation from the water is what this flag means. It might be because a child is lost in the water, or because there's dangerous marine life detected, or several other reasons, but it means now. It means now, all caps, exclamation point. It means out of the water now.
Got it.